carving or drawing arcs, circles, parts of many symbols, and the die. So, as we can see, any per individual who want a perfect circle use compass. So, we have also the divider. This is the divider.